Assalamu alaikum and Shubhecha for other communities. Dear learners, welcome to our online class. I am Muhammad Abdul Hamid, assistant teacher, Siddhisha High School, Fulbari, Dinaspur. Dear learners, how are you today? I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am fine too by the grace of Allah. Dear learners, today I am going to discuss from English first paper. Dear learners, I think you have your EFT book, that means this book, exercise book and pen with you. Dear learners, today I am going to discuss from Unit 5 on Lesson 3. Unit 5, Lesson 3, dear learners. Now open your EFT book, open at page 62. The name of the topic is man and climate. Man and climate. Of course, you know the meaning of man, and I would like to share with you the meaning of climate is Jalvayu. That means in Bangla, Manush ebong Jalvayu, the meaning of the topic. Dear learners, you have to discuss in pairs a section. There are 3 questions. Of course, you have to ask a question to your partner and try to guess the answer or try to give the answer. Dear learners, below the questions you see there is a text, and you have to read the text and find answers to the above questions. That means while reading the text you have to guess or try to find out the answers of those questions above the text. Okay, dear learners, before reading I am writing some difficult words with meaning on the board. Concentration. Concentration means monojog in Bangla. Monojog. Fossil. Fossil means jivasho. Combustion. Dohon is burn. Crude. Crude means অপরিশোধিত that means unrectified or impure. Enormous means bipul. It's a lot of. Mining. Mining means khoni. Mining means khoni. Now parser. Parser means charon bhumi. Parser means the place or the field where cattle graze. That's called parser. Dear learners, again concentration. Concentration means monojog. That's give attention. Fossil. Fossil means jivasho, from any living being. Combustion is dahan, that is burn. Crude অপরিশোধিত, that is unrectified or impure. Enormous, that is bipol, a lot of. Mining, that is khoni. Parser, saranbhumi, the fields where the cattle, the cows or goats graze or eat grass. Okay, dear learners, now I am reading, and actually it should be read by yourselves, and I should help you in pronunciation and reading. Okay, dear learners, let's read the text, and I am helping you to pronounce the difficult words. Okay, dear learners, now read the text below and find answers to the above questions, and I am helping you in pronunciation or in reading also. Okay, dear learners, let's read. Humans can neither change the sun's radiation nor the earth's orbit around the sun, but they can control the increase in the amount of greenhouse gases and its effect on the atmosphere. Only during the last 100 years, the carbon dioxide concentration has been raised alarmingly in the atmosphere, and we humans can be held responsible for this. The main cause of the increase in carbon dioxide level in the atmosphere is the burning of fossil fuels. Since the end of the 19th century, industrial activities increased rapidly, giving rise to many factories. These factories required energy which was produced through the combustion of coal. Besides coal, other sources of energy such as mineral oil and natural gas are also burned to heat our houses, run cars and aeroplanes, or to produce electricity. Nowadays, about 85 million barrels of crude oil are burned daily. Every time a fossil raw materials is burned, it releases carbon dioxide into the air. Therefore, it is clear that more and more greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide are being generated worldwide by humans. Moreover, we are also strengthening the greenhouse effect by deforestation. Strengthening means shoktishali kora, which means cutting down trees. Every year, enormous areas of forests are destroyed by people to obtain wood and to clear regions for mining and to create pasture. Pasture means saranbhumi. This loss of the forest causes dual problems দ্বৈত সমস্যা. Trees that are burned up release large volumes of carbon dioxide gas into the air. On the other hand, as forests absorb a lot of carbon dioxide from the air and deliver oxygen instead, we also destroy an important storehouse of carbon dioxide when we clear forests. Dear learners, I think you have done well and you have read the text very carefully and try to remember the difficult words and the sentences, important sentences. There are now B section. You have to read the statements and try to say if the statements are true or false. Dear learners, you know, if the statements is true, you need not write anything. If the answer is false, you have to write the correct answer, you know. Dear learners, number 1, in B section number 1, fossil fuels are burned at an alarming rate due to industrialization. Is it true or false, dear learners? Match your answer with me. This statement is true. Number 2, coal is the only fuel used for generating energy. Dear learners, have you got the answer? Of course, I think you have got the answer and you already have written the answer. The answer is false. And what will be the correct answer, dear learners? The correct answer will be beside coal, mineral oil, natural gas are used for generating energy. Beside coal, natural gas or natural oil and natural gas are used for generating energy. Number 3, dear learners, at present nearly 85 million barrels of crude oil are used weekly. Is the answer true or false? Of course, the answer is false, and I agree with you. The correct answer will be very easy. At present, nearly 85 million barrels of crude oil are used daily. The daily will be used instead of weekly. At the end of the last word of the sentence. Okay, dear learners, now 4. Deforestation is caused by nature. Deforestation is caused by nature. প্রকৃতি দ্বারাই বন উজাড়করণ ঘটে থাকে. Is it correct or it is true? Of course not. It is false, dear learners. And I think you will agree with me. The correct answer will be deforestation is caused by human for collecting wood, clearing areas for mining and for pasture. Now the last one, forests help consume carbon dioxide gases from the air? Is the answer is correct, dear learners? Of course, undoubtedly the answer is true. Okay, dear learners. Now C section. Now C section. You have to match the meaning in column B and the words phrases in column A. Sun's radiation, it will be matched with A. Fossil fuels, number 2, it will match with number D. Number 3, combustion of coals, and it will be matched with the phrase number Z. Number 4, crude oil, and it will be matched with the phrase number 8. Number 5, raw materials, and it will be matched with the phrase of number C. Deforestation, it will be matched with the phrase number E. And the last one, photosynthesis, the Shalok translation, it will be matched with the phrase number B. Dear learners, I think you have been doing a lot of things for a long time, and we all together have done a lot of things within a short time. Dear learners, if I get chance to take your class, that I will try to discuss on D section and E section, dear learners. Okay, dear learners, I would like to mention here, I have written some words on the board. I have read out the text from A section, and we all together do B section or C section. That means if there is any mistakes in my writing, reading and speaking, please pardon me. Thank you very much for joining me for a long time. I wish you good luck. Allah Hafiz.